Actually, what I like to do is when I'm storing the cars is disconnect the batteries. Then I'll put a trickle charger on it, and that way, you know, retain the power. So whenever there's seats here, I always kind of disconnect the batteries. They had a little fright there for a moment because I went to go start the car and wouldn't start. I says, "Oh, you got to be kidding me." He said, "Oh, I forgot the batteries are disconnected." We're off to Amelia Island for our car show weekend here on Wednesday. Reliable Transport's going to be transporting the 3 Porsches. We're going to be taking the 1973 911T, going to be taking the 2024 Spider RS, and then also the 2025 Cayman GT4 RS. So we've got a full weekend ahead of us. Friday's going to be the Porsche Werks reunion. Saturday will be Radwood and the Concours d'Elegance, and then we're also registered for Sunday, which will be the Cars and Caffeine. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy.
Do you have like a 12 or 14 or?
See, when you hit this type, this time, sleep is not an option. If you get 2 hours a night, good luck on that. Good. Like, don't say that.
Cars are in the garage, and I think we're about ready to go, and so begins our weekend. So stay tuned, and we'll keep you updated as we move along.
If it stays like this all weekend, chill it.
So this is where you check in, right over here. So you can order, there's restrooms over here. You can order drinks, breakfast, you know, Richard Mason.
Why are you acting like you work here?
Hey everybody, here we are in day 2 at the Amelia Island Car Show weekend. Today on Thursday, we are at the Ritz Hotel. We're taking a look at the Broad Arrow online auction room here that we're in. We're looking at a beautiful Carrera GT Porsche, and then certainly a beautiful 959 Comfort S. So this is kind of the kickoff for the Amelia Island Car Show. So we're just kind of walking around the hotel, checking out the venue, checking out the cars. Tomorrow, day 3, we will be at the Porsche Werks reunion. Day 4 will be the Radwood show and also the Concours d'Elegance. And then Sunday will be our Cars and Caffeine. So we're giving you a little bit of a taste on day 2, and then we'll follow through as we move forward for the next couple of days. So stay tuned and enjoy the videos.
Oh,
Hey everybody, here we are at day 3 at the Amelia Island Concours d'Elegance show weekend. This morning, Friday morning, it is about 6:30. We're headed over to the Porsche Werks reunion. They're anticipating upwards of 700 cars. There'll be an area for just the judged vehicles, and on the other side of the road will be for the corral, the non-judged vehicles. So we're pretty much loaded up with 73, the 24, the 25, and then Jared's 964. So we're on our way, and we'll keep you abreast as we get there. So stay tuned. Hey everybody, here we are in day 4 at the Amelia Island Car Show weekend. I'm here with my good friend Shara as part of our team up here. Today we are at the Ritz Hotel. We've got a fantastic show. One side of the field is the big Concours d'Elegance, several hundred cars, race cars, and on this side of the field where we're at right now is the Radwood, which is 80s and 90s cars. I'd have to say there are at least several thousand people here and just a fantastic show event. So stay with us, we'll see some of the videos coming up, and then we'll be back at it tomorrow for day 5. And just to let you know that my good friend Jarrett, who is with us, this is his 964 here at the Radwood Show. We'll see you tomorrow. Well, here we are, everybody. Day 5 here at the Ritz-Carlton. Today was the Cars and Caffeine show, and what a fantastic show. Lots of people, hundreds of people. A fantastic weekend, from the Porsche Werks reunion on Friday to the Radwood on Saturday to the Concours d'Elegance yesterday on Saturday also, and then today the Cars and Caffeine. So just want to say thanks for staying with us. We're headed back to West Palm Beach in a couple minutes. And if I can, just take a quick minute to say thank you to my team, which is Michael behind the camera, Richard Mason Hughes, Ro, Shara, Matt, and Jared. So special thanks to them. And once again, thanks for staying with us, and hopefully you'll enjoy the video, and we'll see you next time around.